So, you want to be financially savvy, but it's too hard. You think it takes too much time, too much math, or too much sacrifice. Well, no, it's actually pretty easy. First of all, why should you want to be financially savvy? Because money is awesome. But more importantly, being financially savvy means you can save money, invest money, and make more money. And who doesn't want more money? All right, let's start with saving money. Instead of spending every penny you earn, you stash some away. This way, when something unexpected happens, like your car breaks down or you need a new phone, you have the money ready. No stress, no panic. Plus, saved money can grow over time if you put it in the right place, like a savings account or investments. Next, let's talk about budgeting. Budgeting is not some scary monster under your bed. It's just a simple plan for your money. Imagine you have a pizza. You wouldn't eat the whole thing in one go. You'd save some for later. Budgeting is the same. You divide your money into different parts, some for food, some for fun, and some for savings. Now, let's move on to investing. Investing might sound like something only rich or smart people do, but it's for everyone. And it's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of investing like planting a tree. You put a little seed money in the ground investment. You water it regularly, keep investing, and over time, it grows into a big, strong tree. More money. You can invest in stocks, bonds, or even a small business. Just do a bit of research or ask someone who knows about it. Let's not forget about spending wisely. This doesn't mean you have to live like a monk and never buy anything fun. It just means thinking before you spend. Do you really need that new gadget, or can you wait for a sale? Can you cook at home instead of eating out every night? If you save $5 every day, in a year, you would have a lot more than $1,800 if you invest that $5. Debt is another big topic. Debt is like a bad roommate who eats all your food and never pays rent. You need to get rid of it as soon as you can. Pay off high-interest debts first, like credit cards. Try not to take on new debt unless it's for something important, like education or a house. Credit scores are also important. It's like your financial report card. A good credit score means you can borrow money at lower interest rates, which saves you money in the long run. To keep a good score, pay your bills on time and don't borrow more. Emergency funds are a lifesaver. This is money you set aside for emergencies. Think of it as your financial superhero. If your car breaks down or you lose your job, your emergency fund swoops in to save the day. Side hustles are a great way to boost your income. Whether it's freelance work, selling handmade crafts, or even driving for a rideshare service, a side hustle can give you extra cash to save or invest. Plus, it can be a fun way to explore your interests and talents. Learning about money is super important. Read books, listen to podcasts, or take a course. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. And don't be afraid to ask questions. No one is born knowing everything about money. People say you need a lot of money to start investing. False. You can start with as little as $5, and you don't need to be a math whiz to be financially savvy. Basic math is all you need. There are tons of apps that can help you manage your money, track your spending, and even invest. They make the whole process a lot easier and sometimes even fun. Let's talk about financial goals. Having goals gives you something to work towards. Maybe you want to save for a vacation, a new car, or even a house. Write down your goals and figure out how much you need to save each month to reach them. Seeing your progress can be really motivating. Network with financially savvy people. They can offer advice, share tips, and keep you motivated. You don't have to figure everything out on your own. Learn from others who have been there and done that. Keep an eye on your financial progress. Celebrate your financial wins. Whether it's paying off a credit card, reaching a savings milestone, or making your first investment, take the time to celebrate. Rewarding yourself can keep you motivated and make the journey more enjoyable. Remember, being financially savvy is a journey, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time, and don't get discouraged if you make a mistake. Learn from it and keep moving forward. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Please like and subscribe if you want to become rich.